natural beef jerky.
Wow.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what you doing,
Jerkman. Get a sample, brother. Grab it. All natural beef jerky. Perky jerky, leg jerk. Get some of that leg jerk. It's the first high-octane beef jerky, but it's all natural and it's good. They're swarming. All right, Perky Jerky, Home Depot, Mapco, all natural. NASCAR, exclusive jerky. Daytona 500. Get you some. Exclusive jerky of NASCAR. All natural ingredients before you go fishing. Grab some of that Perky Jerky. Home Depot, Mapco. Oh! Perky Jerky. Get some of that leg right there. I can't reach it down there. Get some of that. There we go. Get it, get it, get it. Get it while it's here. Get it while it's here, folks. Give you a little lift.
I need some energy.
It will be just what you need right about now. It's what you need on the morning. You going fishing or hunting? Grab you some Perky Jerky. Got a Home Depot or Mapco. All protein. Yeah, get some of that. All natural. Woo! Get some of that head jerk. Don't forget the leg jerk. Get that leg jerk.
I don't know where I need
Get
to
that
grab.
leg jerk. Oh! Get some of that leg jerk. Come on, don't be shy. Get your jerk on. All natural beef jerky. Home Depot and Mapco. Exclusive jerky of NASCAR.
Right.
You're going to get the lucky ones right here. You're going to get the lucky ones. Woo, doggies.
Perky Jerky.
Home Depot and Mapco. Before you go out fishing, grab a bag of this. Yeah. Whoa, buddy. Watch it now. Come get it. Come get it.
Thank you.
There it is. Yeah, Perky Jerky. Y'all need a little lift. Get you some. Woo, I think I'm naked to the bone. There you go. You're the lucky one.